As you can see, we're kind of in dire need of a new tread on our tires. We have a new set of Falcon tires to put onto these things. 38-inch tall tires, super stickies. We're going to put on here and show you just how simple and easy beadlock wheels are. It is very important that you knock the back bead off of a beadlock wheel before the front one, because if you start unbolting it, you will not be able to push against the tire with the machine to take the back bead off. So now that the back beads are all popped off, just knock it in. So you can see that that one just broke. And if you look real close, you can see it's rusted inside, like it's been broken a while, and it was just barely hanging on by a little thread. But the problem is that there's still a bolt in there, okay, the stud, okay, and in most other beadlock wheels, you have to get a right hand thread in there or something, but the cool thing about the Raceline wheels is that you could just get a center punch and punch it out. Maintenance is real easy. You just knock the broken part out, just like that, and now you can get a hold of it and twist it out with a pair of pliers. So what we have here is a new stud. You just put it in the back like that, put the bolt, a new bolt in, and you hammer down on it and it pulls the stud back up into its slot. Now it's all back up in there, no drilling, no left hand threads, no trying to get that broken stud out. Just replace it all. So what a lot of people try to do is they try to go opposite ends like this. I don't think that works all too well. Not as much as just following the same path. Sure, that one might come in just a little bit, but you gain so much more traction just going in one direction. This is a 38 Falcon tire, the Wild Peak. So you just get your tire, put it in, and you just karate kick it. What's your trick for this, Tom? There it goes. So now that I have the tire and the wheel together, you center it to where it sits in that bead, and you get your rim, line everything up. All we need to do is pull that bead down just a little bit so we can get the other ones in. Normally what you do is you torque them all down to the same torque because you don't want to bend the ring at all. But where this is a tire we've taken apart and put together so many times, you kind of just eyeball it in opposite corners to see which one's the tallest. Up to a point, we get it to where it sits down on, and then we torque them all. We need to put the back bead on now. Remember, this is the step that we did earlier. We had to take the tires over to the tire shop to pop the back bead. To put it on, you simply put your air check on, you push down on it until you hear that, and then you back away.